What's up YouTube? What's going on? Chana D, your Techno Dad here with a quick video for you guys. I didn't want to make a video. It is Christmas Eve and there's a lot going on, but I just got this in yesterday. It's the Panasonic UB420 4K Blu-ray player for $149 right now at Best Buy. So if you've been waiting, if you have an Xbox and you wanted to make the jump and you didn't like the Sony or the LG, get the Panasonic UB420 right meow, 149 bucks. That is nuts. Link is down in the description, and I did just take it out of the box, so let's just kind of go over some quick things about it, shall we? You get battery, you get power cable, you get a remote, you get a dog looking at you all weird like, what are you doing, man, talking to yourself. On the back here, it's kind of bare bones. Power input, we get two HDMI outs. This is for audio only, this is for both audio video. USB 3.0, now they say to put a hard drive here, so if you have a hard drive, attach it there. We've got a LAN port and we've got optical audio output digital. On this top here we've got eject and power, and this plastic panel I guess rolls down when you hit eject. We've got a tray, we've got a front USB, we've got an IR indicator and a power LED, and it's actually pretty small. Here it is sitting in front of the Oppo and the Sony and my very dusty TV stand here, so it looks like about 2.5 inches off the width here. So yeah, if you guys were waiting to get a 4K Blu-ray player and you were trying to figure out whether you go with Sony X700 or the Sony X800 M2 or with the LG UBK90 from last year, check out the Panasonic UB420. I know all those people are going to be like, but it doesn't have Dolby Vision. Guess what? The HDR optimizer is going to be way better than anything that the Sony or the LG players have. Trust me. Trust me, I've owned all these things. Trust me, it's the way to go. Now, if you're wondering what happens if you put in a Dolby Vision disc, all these discs have the HDR10 base. So if you put in a Dolby Vision disc into this player, you'll still get HDR10, so you're good to go. All right, well, if you guys have any questions about this or anything else, hit me down in the comments or on social or email, whichever you like to use. Also, please be patient as there's a lot going on with the holidays and everything else. I get flooded with questions, so I am trying to get back to everybody. And if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel using the button in the middle of your screen. Once again, my name is Chana D. I'm your Techno Dad, and I'll see you next time.